So here's the best, most amazingest game in the history of the world.
How did this happen?
With great graphics, music, gameplay, and everything I've ever tried to make in all my previous games. Maybe I'm gonna need some help. Like I said in the last video, we're making a 2.5D roguelike, but it's not quite there yet. We've started a blog, gotten the generation, and made the player, but it's definitely not where we thought it was going to be. Jaden went straight in and made cave generation. He wasn't a big fan of the dungeons and all that because he'd have to go into his code and modify it to allow dungeons. So I got to work trying to make out what the heck all his code did. After a bit of confusion, I realized that even me, the best coder in the history of humanity, would never be able to understand this. I gave up and tried adding enemy AI. That worked as per usual, first try, no problems. I'll explain how it works when I've got it working, but in the meantime, let's look at this white box I made. I finally decided on the art style and went with Jaden's idea, making a simple player sprite that'll inspire generations to come. I've been trying to get Dean to make music, but he says naps are much better and has decided to sleep on the job. So instead of waking poor Dean up from his 5-hour nap, I spent some time on Reddit trying to find a video editor to help me with the hardest and least favorite part of making these videos, but was met with what you'd expect from Reddit. So now we're nearing the beginning of the game. Hopefully by next time we'll be able to show a much better and polished version, where we have collision. See ya.